Hi students, this is Kumar, your maths teacher, grade 8. Evaluate. The first one is 8 power minus 1 into 5 power 3 the whole divided by 2 power minus 4. 2 power minus 4. So 8 power minus 1, we write 1 divided by 8 into 5 power 3 means 5 multiplied by 3 times. So divided by 2 power minus 4. So 1 divided by 8 into 5 into 5 into 5. So here 1 divided by 2 power minus 4 into 2 power 4. So 1 by 8 into 5 into 5 into 5. 2 power 4 means 2 multiplied by 4 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So simplify. 1 2 is to 4 2s are 8. 1 2 is to 2 2s are 4. 1 2 is to 1 2 is to. So 5 into 5 into 5. 125 into 2. 125 into 2 is 250. So the second question is 1 by 3 the whole power minus 1 minus 1 by 4 the whole power minus 1 the whole power minus 1. So evaluate. So 1 by 3 the whole power minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 1 by 4 whole power minus 1 is equal to 4. The whole power minus 1. So 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 the whole power minus 1. So is a power minus m. A power minus m is equal to 1 divided by a power m. So 1 divided by minus 1. 1 divided by minus 1 is equal to minus 1 is the answer. So the next question is simplify. So the first one is 3 power minus 5 into 5 power minus 5 into 125. Then whole divided by 5 power minus 7 into 6 power minus 5. So here 3 power minus 5. So 10 power minus 5 we write 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. So 10 power minus 5 we write 2 into 5 the whole power minus 5. So this is form of a into b the whole power m. So a power m into b power m. So 2 power minus 5 into 5 power minus 5. So 10 power minus 5 we write 2 power minus 5 into 5 power minus 5. So here the 125 we write 5 power 3. So the next one is 6 power minus 5. So 6 power minus 5 we write 2 into 3 the whole power minus 5. So 2 power minus 5 into 3 power minus 5. Now we have to simplify. So 3 power minus 5 into 10 power minus 5 we write 2 power minus 5 into 5 power minus 5 into 125 we write 5 power 3. Then whole divided by 5 power minus 7 into 6 power minus 5 we write 2 power minus 5 into 3 power minus 5. So the next 3 power minus 5 whole divided by 3 power minus 5 into 2 power minus 5 here also divided by 2 power minus 5 into, so here the base are same. So 5 power minus 5 into 5 power 3 then divided by 5 power minus 7. So the next one is a power minus m divided by a power minus m. So denominator is base are same, subtract the power. So 3 power minus 5. So minus into minus plus 5. 2 power minus 5 divided by 2 power minus 5. So base are same, subtract the power. So 2 power minus 5 minus into minus plus 5 into 5 power minus 5 plus 3. So a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. 5 power minus 5 plus 3 then divided by minus 7 subtract. So minus into plus 7. Minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2 plus 7. So 3 power minus 5 plus 5 is 0. So 3 power 0 into 2 power minus 5 plus 5 is 0. 2 power 0 into 5 power minus 2 plus 7 is plus 5. So anything power 0 is 1. So 2 power 0 also 1. So 1 into 5 power 5. So the answer is 5 to the power 5. So the second question is 25 into t power minus 4 and whole divided by 5 power minus 3 into 10 into t power minus 8. So 25 we write 5 square. So 5 square into t power minus 4 then whole divided by 5 power minus 3 into 10 into t power minus 8. So here 5 power 2, here 5 power minus 3. So base are same, is a division, subtract the power. So 5 power 2 minus into minus plus 3 into t power minus 4 divided by t power minus 8. So base are same, divide. subtract the power, so t power minus 4 minus into minus plus 8 whole divided by 10. So 5 power 2 plus 3 is 5. So 5 power 5 into t power 4 then whole divided by 10. 5 power 5 we write 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into t to the power 4 whole divided by 10. So here 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10. So 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to 625 into t to the power 4 then whole divided by 2. So the next question is find x so that 5 by 7 whole power minus 3 into 5 by 7 whole power minus 11 is equal to 5 by 7 whole power 7x. So find the value of x. So 5 by 7 whole power minus 3 into 5 by 7 whole power minus 11 is equal to 5 by 7 whole power 7x. So here base are same. So add the power. So 5 by 7 the whole power minus 3 minus 11 is equal to 5 by 7 whole power 7x. So minus 3 minus 11 is equal to minus 14. So 5 by 7 the whole power minus 14 is equal to 5 by 7 whole power 7x. So here base are same is equal. So equating the power. So minus 14 is equal to 7x. Base are same is equal. So equating the power 7x is equal to minus 14. We have to find the value of x. So x is equal to minus 14 is divided by 7. 1 7 is 7. 2 7s are 14. So therefore the value of x is equal to minus 2. So the next question is find the value of m for which 5 power m divided by 5 power minus 3 is equal to 5 power 5. So 5 power m divided by 5 power minus 3 is equal to 5 power 5. So here division base are same. So subtract the power. So 5 power m minus of minus 3 is equal to 5 power 5. So 5 power m minus into minus plus 3 is equal to 5 power 5. So here base are same is equal. So now equating the powers. So m plus 3 is equal to 5. M is equal to 5. 3 transposing that side minus 3. So m is equal to 5 minus 3. So therefore the value of m is equal to 2. So the next question is find the value of m if 2 by 9 whole power 3 into 2 by 9 whole power minus 6 is equal to 2 by 9 whole power 2m minus 1. So here base are same. So add the power. So 2 by 9 whole power 3 minus 6 is equal to 2 by 9 whole power 2m minus 1. So 3 minus 6 is equal to minus 3. So 2 by 9 whole power minus 3 is equal to 2 by 9 whole power 2m minus 1. So here base are same is equal. So now equating the powers. So 2m minus 1 is equal to minus 3. So minus 1 is transposing that side plus 1. So minus 3 plus 1 is equal to 2m. So minus 3 plus 1 is equal to minus 2. So 2m is equal to minus 2. So m is equal to minus 2 divided by 2. So therefore the value of m is equal to minus 1. So the next question is by what number 2 by 3 whole power minus 2 be multiplied so that the product is 4 by 27 the whole power minus 1. By what number 2 by 3 whole power minus 2 be multiplied so that the product is 4 by 27 the whole power minus 1. So let the required number be x. Let the required number be x. So the condition is by what number should be multiplied. So the required number be x. So x into 2 by 3 whole power minus 2. The product is 4 by 27 whole power minus 1. So x into 2 by 3 the whole power minus 2. We write 3 by 2 the whole square. This is a by b the whole power minus m is equal to b by a the whole power m is equal to 4 by 27 whole power minus 1. We write 27 divided by 4. So x into 3 square 9, 2 square is 4 is equal to 27 divided by 4. We have to find the value of x. Now is that 9 by 4 transposing that side. 9 transposing that side divide, 4 transposing that side is multiply. So 27 divided by 4 into 4 by 9 is equal to x. Now we have to simplify. 1 4 4 is cancelled. 1 9 is 9. 3 9s are 27. So therefore the value of x is equal to 3. So therefore the required number is 3. Next question is, by what number should 5 divided by 4 whole power minus 3 be divided so that the quotient may be 15 divided by 16 whole power minus 1. So let the required number be x. Let the required number be x. The question is, by what number should be 5 divided by 4 minus 3 be divided. So let the required number be x. So 5 by 4 whole power minus 3 divided by x is equal to, we get the quotient is quotient may be 15 divided by 16 the whole power minus 1. Now we have to find the value of x. So 5 by 4 whole power minus 3 is equal to 4 divided by 5 whole power 3 divided by x is equal to 15 divided by 16 whole power minus 1 is equal to 16 divided by 15 whole power 1. So now we have to find the value of x. So this is divided by x, transposing that side is multiplied by x. So 4 by 5 whole power 3 is equal to 16 divided by 15 into x. Now we have to find the value of x. So 4 power 3 is 64. 5 power 3 is equal to 125 into 15 transposing that side is multiplied. Multiply 16 transposing that side, divide. So 15 divided by 16 is equal to x. Now you have to simplify. So 4 4s are 16. 1 4 is 4. 2 6 4s are 24. 1 4 is 4. 4 4s are 16. Now is 15 here 125. Now divide a fifth table. 3 5s are 15. 2 5s are 10. 2 5 5s are 25. So the numerator is 4 into 3. So 4 3s are 12. So the denominator is 25. So the value of x is equal to 12 divided by 25. So therefore the required number is 12 divided by 25.